Now, coming to the stack, sir, what the stack will implement? Beta stack will implement like first, last in, first out. This is the data structure which will be implemented by the stack. That is nothing but stack, right? Sir, how it is going to perform the operations? Beta, here I will show you. This is the stack, right? If you want to insert the performing insertion operation or pushing a element into the stack, that is called as insertion. Whenever you insert the element into the stack, top of the stack will be incremented. Basically, the top of the stack points to -1. Whenever you push an element into the stack gets incremented, right? Let's say I'm inserted 5, then stack will become 0. Then I'm inserted 6, stack will become 1. 7, stack will become 2. So whenever we are inserting the elements, top of the stack will be incremented. Inserting elements into the stack, that is called as a push operation, that can be done by using the push method. If you are deleting the element from the stack, that is deletion is nothing but deleting element from the stack, that is nothing but pop operation, right? Whenever you are deleting the element, automatically top of the stack will be decremented, right? So here, sir, for example, let's say I don't have any elements in the stack. If I'm performing the pop operation on the stack, that is called as the underflow, stack underflow. Sir, this is my stack. My stack is full now, right? Now, whenever the stack is full, I am trying to perform the push operation. So in this particular case, we cannot push the element into the stack, then stack overflow will occur. So these are the two cases, stack underflow and stack overflow. Stack overflow will occur whenever the stack is full. If you are trying to push the element, then stack overflow. When the stack is empty, if you are trying to delete the element, then stack underflow will occur, right? And you can also perform the search operation on the stack, right? Let's say, sir, this is the way I have the elements, right? I want to find a particular element in the stack, right? So you can use the search method, right? Let's say search of that particular object, let's say search of 6. If the element is there in the stack, then it returns the index of that particular element. For example, sir, I want to search a particular element. Let's say 11, I want to search. 11, actually, it does not exist in the stack. So whenever the element is not found, then it returns -1. That in the sense that particular element is not available or not found in the stack, right? These are all the different methods which we can use on the stack, and we can perform different operations. Now we will see the example on this stack. This is an example for the stack data structure, right? So here I'm not taking the simple example which is available in the internet. I'm taking a application which will help you, right? So first, I want to read data from keyboard. That's what I'm importing IO package. Next, I'm importing the util package because this tag is a predefined class which is available in the util package. Now, what operations I want to perform? First, I need to decide. That's what I'm doing. First, I'm creating the stock operation menu, right? That is, whenever you are giving your choice as 1, I want to push the element. 2, pop the element. 3, search the element. Whenever you press 4, I want to exit. I'm asking the choice from the user. User will enter the choice. Let's say if the choice is entered by the user as 1, right? That I am reading, I am converting it into integer. I am storing it in the choice variable. Now that choice I am passing to the switch case, right? Based on your choice, the cases will be, the label will be executed, right? If your choice is 1, then we execute case 1. After that, we will break the switch, we comes out of it, loop will be repeated, then we take the choice again, right? And we display the stack operation menu. We ask the user to enter the choice, they will enter the choice, and we will take the choice. According to that, we will execute the switch case again. This is how the program is going to be executed. I will show you the execution, don't worry. Right. Now, assume, sir, my choice is 1. We will go to case 1. What do you want to do? Sir, 1 is related to pushing the element, right? I want an element to push, enter element. Let's say 27, I want to push, right? So that I'm reading by using the read line and I'm converting it into integer. I'm storing it in the element variable. Now your element is 27, right? But in same place, you can also use scanner class. So this is the element. I want to push it in the stack, right? For that purpose, I'm created a user defined method, that is stpush. This is the method which I am created, right? Whenever you are calling this method, we'll go to that particular method. So where we have this method means, beta, I'm written within the class. So that is within the stack demo class. I'm calling this stpush. So there the element will be copied in A and I want to push it in the stack, right? Sir, how we are doing this? How we are doing the element, whatever the element which we are passed, that I am converting it into an integer object and I am pushing by using the push method. Where I am pushing into the stack. This is how push operation is going to be performed. Then, if your choice is true, right? What will happen? Then I want to perform the pop operation. Beta, you need to understand this. This is the first in, last out. Whatever the element which is inserted first, that gets deleted at last. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how we are inserted elements into the stack, right? What is the first inserted element? That is 1. So that we cannot delete first because stack it is the one you can perform all operations from one end only. Insertion and deletion can happen only at one end, right? That's what first in, last out. And you can also call it as the last inserted element that gets deleted first. Last in, first out. You can also call in any way, right? So, sir, I want to delete the elements in the random manner. That is not possible. Without deleting 5, if you are trying to delete 3, you cannot delete the third element from the stack, right? So always the top of the element will be deleted. Whatever you are entering, enter element to delete. I'm asking the choice. You are entering 1, but what it will delete? It will delete the top of the stack only. That's what I'm taking element, but I'm not passing the element to the stack. If you don't want to take, it's fine. Now, here, if you see, whenever you want to perform the pop operation, you should choose choice as 2, right? Your choice is 2. Then we will go to the case 2. In case 2, I'm asking the user to enter element to delete. You are entering whatever the element, that element will be stored in the element variable because I want to know which element is entered by the user. That's what just I'm reading, but I'm not passing that element to the pop operation menu, right? Pop operation method, right? So I'm calling the stpop method. We will go to the particular method which we are created, right? This is the method which we created for popping the element. Now there I am performing the pop operation on stack, but I'm not passing any element to the pop method. Just what it will do, it will delete the top of the stack, right? So whatever the element which is there on the top of the stack that gets deleted, and the deleted element I am storing it in A. If you want to display it, you can display it. This is how I am going to perform the pop operation. Then what else we can do? You can perform the search operation whenever your choice is 3. Then you can perform the search operation, right? In this particular case, what we will do? If the element is there, then we will return the position. Otherwise, what we will do, we will display like that particular element is not found, right? I'm asking the user to enter element to search. Let's say 11 I am entering. So that element I'm reading, I'm passing the element as well as stack to perform the search operation. Which method we are calling? st search, right? We will go to the st search. I want to search the element on the stack, right? I'm passing the element. I want to perform search operation on the stack. So on stack, I'm performing search operation. If that particular element is found, then we return the index, right? So that index is stored in I and we are returning that index. This returned value will goes to the main method. So in main method, what you are doing? You are storing that I value in the position, right? So here we are storing that value in the position. If your position is equals to -1, then what I'm saying, element is not found. As we discussed, if you are reaching while searching, this is your stack, right? While searching the element, you are reached at the last position. That in the sense, element is not found, that I am displaying. Let's say, sir, element is found in some position, then we return the position. So element found, we are displaying that position. If it is equal to -1, then only we are saying it's not found. Otherwise, we are displaying that position, right? Then we are every case we are calling the break. Let's say if your choice is 4, then 4 less than 4 condition become false, becomes out of the block, and we close the main method, then we close the class. This is how we are going to perform the stock operation. Sir, we want the execution for this. This is a bit interesting. So I will show you the execution for this. But observation is important. Here, I'm compiling the code. I'm running it. So stock operation menu, first I displayed, right? 1 for push, enter element 12. Stock is created, 12 be returned, and we displaying the stock operation menu again. Then 1, 14, 1, 56, 1, 2. So this is how the stack is going to be increased. Let's say, sir, I want to perform the pop operation. Choice is to which element you want to delete. 14. What is deleted? Top of the stack only gets deleted, right? Sir, if I want to perform the search operation, right? Which element you want to search? 12. So 12 is found at position number 3, right? If I'm choosing 4, comes out of the block because 4 less than 4 condition will become false and we are coming out of the block. This is how we can implement all the list interfaces, list interface classes, array list, linked list, stack, and vector. In the next session, we are going to cover the set interface. Thank you.